Ladies and gentlemen, I know you want to gamble. I know that no one will stop you from doing it, but at least you can do it in the most intelligent way, whether you're having fun or you're doing it to make money. Every smart gambler knows that you have to be in the 1% and that you have to go with the following strategy, which we will go over today, and it will definitely put you in that different category. It will give you the edge, it'll give you an advantage, it'll make you long-term gains, lower your risk. So this is how people make thousands of dollars. Guys, we are going to use AI, Gemini, to actually look into this strategy. So what is it? It's the start small and build up. It's a strategy where you begin playing a game at very low stakes to get comfortable, practice your strategy, and build confidence before gradually moving up to higher stakes as your skill and bankroll grow. So we're talking about skill-based strategies. Now, why is it important? So it reduces the financial risk. You learn to make mistakes with minimal financial consequences. You build confidence. Success at lower stakes prepares you mentally for higher pressure situations. Also, the strategy practice, so it allows you to perfect your game strategy without the added stress of losing big money. And on top of it, emotional acclimation helps you get used to the casino environment and the flow of the game without tilt affecting large sums. So this is why it's important. I mean, I know some of you are thinking, well, these are just all very relative, very general strategies. Guys, they are so important. I mean, if you master this type of strategy, you will have an edge. Simple as that. So let's use Fred, right? So imagine Fred, the typical guy who likes to gamble. So Fred wants to become a good blackjack player. No, he knows the basic strategy, but feels nervous about playing for real money. So let's go with this, right? Without starting small. So Fred jumps straight into a 25 euro hand blackjack table. He makes a few basic strategy errors due to pressure, loses his initial 100 euros very quickly, gets frustrated and quits feeling discouraged. And this happens a lot. Guys, this is like the most common strategy. People just go in high and they expect to hit the jackpot straight away to really, really make it big. But that's not how it works. Now, you can also go with starting small. So Fred starts by playing a free online blackjack for an hour. Then he moves to a live casino's 5 euro hand table, or even an online casino's 50-cent hand table. He focuses on executing basic strategy perfectly. Even if he loses a few hands, he gets comfortable with the pace, the dealer's calls, and making quick decisions. After several successful discipline sessions at 5 euros, he feels confident to move up to a 10 euro table, knowing he's well practiced. So guess what? He's built up experience, okay? He didn't go in foolishly, and he understood that even if he loses, it's fine because he's got a good bankroll to play with. Now this, guys, going in heavy like that, with this example, in my opinion, is foolish because it's like, you either get it right or you're out. This one is you're playing with many lives. Simple as that. So how do you practice this strategy, and how do you even become better at it? So it's very simple, right? First of all, you can play free demo games, right? So spend significant time on free casino apps or websites perfecting game strategy. Well, some of you really want to get into the paid ones. So what you can do is you can always start at the absolute lowest real money table limit. You can find 50 cents, 5 euros. So in my opinion, that's even better because of the fact that some of you just find the free one boring. You want to get into it. So at least you can get into it with a cheaper option. Now you've got the gradual progression, only moves up stakes when you consistently show profit and feel completely comfortable and disciplined at your current level. So that's great, okay? So progression is something that you need to take into account. Define move up criteria, sets clear goals. I'll move to 10 euros a hand when I double my 100 euro bankroll, a 5 euro stake. So that is really nice, okay? So you slowly move up, but it is justifiable. There's a reason why you move up. Like, this isn't instant gratification. It's delayed gratification. There's always a reason behind it. You wait it out. You feel like you deserve to move up, okay? Now, revert if necessary. So if you move up and find yourself losing heavily or getting emotional, don't be afraid to drop back down to low stake. There's no shame on it. That's something that a lot of you find it hard to do, realizing that maybe you're not that comfortable at that level and that you should move down. And if you can master that, guys, imagine that you are going to become the best of the best. Even I find it sometimes hard to master that, but it's something that's very important. Be humble. Be able to go back to square one and to really learn it, okay? As simple as that. Now, if you guys apply everything that's being said here, oh my God, and if you practice it and you improve, you are going to be unbeatable because your emotions, your psychology is always at the top. It's something that, the casinos themselves cannot beat. The casinos cannot control your emotions, your psychology, you as a player. That is impossible. I mean, I know some people, they're like, well, other ways to beat the casino if you find any flaws, any mistakes that the casinos have done. But you know that they correct themselves very quickly when they find these errors. And trying to figure out the errors, guys, is not always good because there's already a lot of people that figured it out. I would prefer to just work on my emotions and being able to, go into a game, be able to lose, walk out, and know that I am just on a plan here, okay? I've got tomorrow and next week and next month and so on. So that's the great thing about it. But you know what is even more great, ladies and gentlemen? You know what's more great is, ladies and gentlemen, the ability to be able to take advantage of all the free bonuses out there, all these free opportunities which the online casinos are right now giving out. Now, if you are prepared for that, if you are willing to go in and take opportunities like these, because it's all very fresh, all the online casinos are just starting out, so they are doing anything they can to, invite people, so you can take advantage of it. Imagine if you get a free $100, $200, like you're not risking anything here. You're playing with not your money, and you can make money which you can put it in your pocket, which becomes your money. So all these opportunities I am going to start, giving out in my Telegram group with all the strategies, emotional, motivational support, all that great stuff, everything in my Telegram group. So you can go join it. I'm going to leave the link down below. It's all very new, so okay, we're all starting off right now, but there's already people. So really take opportunities, because right now is the time where everybody's just absolutely milking this, okay? So like I've said many times, guys, this is your life. These are your decisions, your action, but you can really make the most out of it, unlike others that are just sleeping on opportunities. So thank you so much. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.